Welcome back to Health and Beauty with Dr. Sonia. How would you like to eliminate fat by laying down? Is that possible? I like the sound of it.
Absolutely. There is another innovative technology that is available that is non-invasive, all for body contouring and body slimming. And I do have a B-roll shot here that we can go through.
Let's take a look at it.
There's a patient here that you can see is actually an ideal candidate for this procedure. Is doing everything that she needs to be in her lifestyle with exercising and eating healthy. And she's basically laying very comfortably on the table. You can see these laser beams that are coming out, targeting into her abdominal area to basically melt that fat, kind of dissolve the fat, and get secreted out into the body. Basically involves her laying 20 minutes on her back, and then she'll turn over, and it'll be 20 minutes on her stomach, and basically we'll be targeting the fat in the saddlebag area, the hip area, the really tough areas to treat. But you can see after this, she doesn't feel a thing, and she can go back to doing her normal activities. So she'll see results pretty immediately. Yeah.
Well, it's remarkable to me. It looked like she was actually getting a spray-on tan. I mean, it looked really painless.
It's very easy. It looked very comfortable and very easy and very simple, and it totally is. I've kind of experimented and sat under there myself and didn't feel a thing. I was working on my cell phone, and patients have been known to take a nap because it's very painless.
What made this candidate a perfect candidate for this treatment?
You know, she is already slim. She just has maybe a problem area that she, again, wants to lose, and she's doing all the right things in her life to take control of that. So she's already on a good regimen before the treatment. She is undergoing the treatment every other day for 2 weeks, so it's a total of 6 painless treatments.
Okay.
And even afterwards, she'll want to continue her lifestyle.
But you can actually see the effects immediately. I mean,
yes, within a couple of treatments.
Up. If you're having it done on your abdomen, you pull your pants up.
People have told me, the patients that I have treated, they've actually seen that their pants fit better. They definitely notice a difference, and it really encourages them. I think it really supercharges them into continuing with their healthy living.
Now, do you have any tips for us?
I always have tips for you. So we've talked extensively about all of these innovative technologies that are out there. It's very important not to fall into all of the hype and the marketing that is out there. There are a lot of technologies that work that do have a lot of science behind it, and those are the ones that you patients who are thinking about getting this procedure done should do their homework, do the research on the procedure and the technology and the place that they go to. So the provider that they see should have some expertise in this area and be able to embrace some of the innovative technologies that we know work. So just be able to separate myth from fact, and that's my prescription for health and beauty.
And to make sure that you're going to see someone who actually has your best interest in mind.
Yes, absolutely, always.
Thank you, Dr. Sonia, for joining us today, and thank you for joining us. It's always great to hear about these terrific advancements in body contouring. We look forward to seeing you next time on Health and Beauty with Dr. Sonia. If you have any questions for Dr. Sonia, please visit EliteMDSpa.com. Click on the link for Health and Beauty with Dr. Sonia.
The information and advice given on this program is for general informational purposes only. For medical advice on specific treatments, medical professionals should be consulted. You should not initiate a course of treatment without consulting a qualified doctor. The opinions expressed on the program are those of the guest and not those of KRON TV, its management, employees, or advisors.